Modelling area is just about set up now. So I've got my printer, my silhouette cutter, soldering station and various bits and pieces for that. Come around here, I've got my little IKEA cabinet, absolutely chock-a-block with paints. Then I come over to my painting station. So everything I need, got the brushes, gloves, thinners, etc. Finally got the spray unit out because I'll be spraying indoors, and it's about 4 or 5 years old. First time I unboxed it was a couple of days ago. So come over here into the corner, another IKEA full of drawers loaded with stuff. I believe that's an IKEA unit as well, just on trolleys. So there's my modelling desk. Getting it sorted, getting all the tools located, all the files and various bits of stuff. So these are the two choices now. Which one to do? I'm not sure right now. I'm tempted to do both. But I want a palette cleanser. I haven't modelled for so long, so just a little fighter, something, get the teeth back into it.